Hi, I'm Alex, responsible for LED working in driving lights at OSRAM. The VX series from OSRAM are street legal and LED driving lights that can be used on-road and off-road. Our VX series is the most versatile range. Here you will find driving lights with a convincing design and a great price-performance ratio. We offer maximum variety with single and double row light bars from 18 centimeters to 1.25 meters in length and from 1000 to 14,000 lumen. Thanks to our practical side and back brackets, the products are easy to install. Your new OSRAM VX LED driving lights come with a 2-year guarantee. Off-road and on-road, always more light with OSRAM.